My video guide is about removing the online scam that comes from the site Performoriginalgreatlythefile.vip. This is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and possibly some other browsers. The real purpose of all these pop-ups is to deceive people and trick them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. There may be a lot of such scary pop-ups attacking the screen periodically. They also report a lot of other faulty statements attempting to make you click on some buttons. For instance, this pop-up by Performoriginalgreatlythefile.vip tells you to click on Delete Viruses button. And then after you do that, you may be forwarded to some other junk websites that may promote a totally different software. So you need to be very careful. All these pop-ups are the trace of some adware in your computer. And you can also see that there is a great portion of such pop-up notifications disturbing our screen from time to time. Obviously, there is something wrong happening with the browser or with the entire computer. We recommend you to carefully examine the control panel first of all, and if you find anything suspicious on the list, get rid of it, uninstall it in the regular manner. To make sure that this system is free of any other concealed threats, we recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the application and begin researching your system to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.